All right. Second lesson is all about something called range. Oh, sorry. I was on my wrong thing. There we go. Now I'm on pen. Range. Now, sometimes you'll hear the range called the difference between. It's like, well, okay, difference between what? Well, the difference means we're subtracting, and it's between the highest and the lowest numbers. So if we have these numbers here, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, the range means the numbers go from 3 to 9, the biggest and the smallest, and we subtract, so the range would be 6. Here we have some ages of students. The range, we take the highest minus the lowest, so the range is 3. They only are spread over 3 different numbers. Or like, not 3 different numbers, but the range, the difference between the biggest and the smallest is 3. Again, the range here is 3. Notice we have small numbers, sort of medium numbers, and bigger numbers, and the range can be 3 for all of them. Oh, the range is 6 there. Whew, my brain today. Anyway, the range is 3 for both there, even though the numbers look very different. The range only tells me the difference between the biggest and the smallest. Sorry, I wanted to go to the next slide. There we go. All right, yes, the difference between the lowest and highest values or numbers in a data set. Here we have a data set, the range 3 to 9, so the range is 6. Here we have a bar graph. We can find range from a bar graph if we look and say, okay, the lowest number is right here at 20. The highest number is up here at 100. So to find the range, we subtract the biggest minus the smallest. Here's what your worksheet looks like. Okay, so it's just a lot of data sets. And then find the smallest number. If it helps, write them in order from least to greatest. Or just find the smallest one, in this case 40. Find the biggest one, 56. Just subtract to find the range. Because again, the range is the difference between. You're going to learn a song in another lesson. And it's going to say the range is the difference between. And sometimes that's confusing to students. But remember, difference just means subtract. And it's between the highest and the lowest. So find the difference between those. You can use a calculator to find the difference. That is fine, especially when it comes to decimals. We haven't done a lot with decimals. That is just fine if you want to use a calculator to do the subtraction. Okay? I don't need to test your subtracting skills. I'm just testing to see if you know how to do it. All right? Good luck.